A primary school teacher from Shivpuri has received relief from the Madhya Pradesh High Court. The teacher Saket Kumar Purohit was suspended after he posted a video on Facebook where he mimicked Prime Minister Narendra Modi and spoke about rising gas cylinder prices. The court has now stopped the suspension order for now and asked officials to review the case again. The judges said that having the power to suspend someone does not mean it should be used unfairly. This decision has brought temporary relief to the teacher while the matter is being reconsidered. In Madhya Pradesh, many teachers are unhappy with the rules that ask them to pass the teacher eligibility test again. These teachers have been working for 20 to 25 years under the Right to Education Act. The issue was raised in Parliament by Ratlam MP Anita Nagar Singh Chauhan. She said that experienced teachers should not be forced to take the exams again because they have already been teaching students for many years. Teachers groups are demanding that the government rethink this decision and give respect to their long service and experience. In Bhind district, a woman named Jagriti Jatov was given a special chance to become district panchayat president for one day under the Nav Sankalp campaign. She belongs to a scheduled caste community and lives in Narayanpura village. This initiative was started by current president Kamna Singh Bhaduria. During her one-day role, Jagriti attended meetings, spoke with officers and reviewed work of the Social Justice Department. She also received congratulations through a video call from Shivraj Singh Chauhan. This step was taken to encourage social equality and leadership among common people. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has postponed the hearing on two petitions related to BJP MLA Sanjay Pathak. The case involves an issue where he allegedly tried to contact Justice Vishal Mishra. The division bench led by Chief Justice Sanjeev Sachdeva has fixed the next hearing on April 2nd. Another related case involving gangster Abdul Razak will be heard on April 1st. The delay means that both matters will be examined later and no final decision has been taken yet. A tragic road accident took place in Gwalior early Monday morning at around 3 am. A speeding Scorpio car trying to escape from police hit an auto rickshaw near Parshuram Chowk. The auto was carrying a family returning from Shitla Mata temple. The crash was very severe and 5 people died on the spot. 4 others including 2 children were injured. The auto driver is also in critical condition due to a serious head injury. The strong impact pushed the auto into a neem tree, leaving it completely damaged. Police are investigating the case. Petrol pumps in cities like Bhopal, Indore and Ujjain have seen heavy crowds for the last 3 days. People are worried due to news about rising tension between the countries like United States, Israel and Iran. Many are lining up from early morning to fill fuel. Reports say petrol sales have increased about 25%. However, the government has clearly said there is no shortage of petrol or diesel in the state. Officials have assured that enough fuel is available and people should not panic or believe rumors spreading on social media. Weather in Madhya Pradesh is expected to change again due to a western disturbance and cyclonic system. The weather department has issued an alert for rain and strong winds in 7 districts including Gwalior. This will be the third time it's rained in March, just a day before temperatures had reached 41.6 degrees Celsius, making it one of the hottest days of the season in Narmadapuram. The sudden weather change may bring some relief from heat, but people are advised to stay careful during storms and strong winds.